What's up, guys? Today we got a 2011 Dodge Charger, and this Charger is equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 Penstar engine. The purpose of this video is to show you the results of our modifications. That way you can come up with your own conclusions on the Flowmaster 44 series muffler and see if this is something you'd be interested in doing to your own vehicle. Here's a chart of Flowmaster Super 44 muffler. According to the manufacturer, it's supposed to have an aggressive exterior sound while having a moderate interior sound. Here's a diagram of the stock exhaust system on the Dodge Charger. We went ahead and removed the resonator, and in place of the resonator, installed the Super 44 Flowmaster, and then we deleted the two restrictive mufflers in the rear and just straight piped from there. Now we're going to go ahead and show you some clips of the Dodge Charger after our exhaust modifications. Go ahead and come up with your own conclusions. Got questions, comments, go ahead and leave it below. If you found this video helpful today, go ahead and please leave us a like. Got any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. And consider subscribing to Big Girls Garage for future content.